If you've avoided homemade rolls because of the effort most recipes require, you're going to love making our fuss-free cloverleaf rolls. So let's roll! First, proof the yeast. In a large bowl, combine the sugar and water, then sprinkle active dry yeast over the top. Let this mixture sit for 5 minutes so that the yeast can wake up and start feeding on the sugar. Add 1 cup of flour to the yeasty liquid and whisk until smooth. Beat in the salt, egg, and butter until the mixture is well combined. While the butter will tenderize the rolls as well as add buttery flavor. Add the remaining flour to the bowl and mix with a wooden spoon just until the flour is fully incorporated. Transfer your dough to a lightly oiled bowl and brush the dough with melted butter. Cover the bowl with a kitchen towel and refrigerate overnight or up to 2 days. The dough will double in size all by itself. Taking the time to form cloverleaf rolls is much more fun than tiring out your arms kneading dough. Divide your dough into thirds, then cut each third into 9 equally sized pieces. You now have 27 1-ounce pieces of dough. Use your hands to roll each piece into a ball. Each cloverleaf roll requires 3 dough balls. Prepare a muffin pan by lightly spraying 9 of the muffin cups with cooking spray. Place 3 dough balls into each of the prepared cups. Generously brush the dough in each cup with melted butter. Loosely cover and let the rolls rise until they double in size. This can take 45 to 90 minutes. Bake the rolls in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are irresistibly puffed and have tanned into a gorgeous golden brown. Brush the finished rolls with more melted butter and sprinkle with sea salt. Serve these warm, buttery rolls fresh out of the oven.